Have you ever been driving and suddenly heard a weird noise coming from your car? Maybe it was a squeal, a grind, or a hiss, and you thought, it'll probably go away. Well, here's the truth. Some of those sounds are your car's way of screaming for help, and ignoring them, that could cost you thousands. Today, we're diving into 9 car noises that mean expensive trouble. These aren't just annoying sounds, they're warning signs. If you hear any of these, don't wait. Fixing them early could save your wallet and maybe even your life. Let's get into it. 1. Squealing when you brake. You're cruising down the road, everything feels fine, and then you tap the brakes. And there it is. That high-pitched squeal. It's like nails on a chalkboard, and it's not just annoying. It's a red flag. Most of the time, this squealing means your brake pads are worn out. Brake pads are designed to wear down over time, but when they get too thin, a metal tab starts rubbing against the rotor. That's what causes the squeal. It's actually a built-in warning system. Now, if you ignore it, that squeal can turn into a grinding noise. And grinding means the metal of the brake pad is digging into the rotor itself. That's bad. Rotors are expensive to replace, and if you let it go too long, you might even damage the calipers. Suddenly, a $100 brake pad job becomes a $1,000 brake system overhaul. So, if your car squeals when you brake, don't wait. Get it checked. It's one of the easiest problems to fix if you catch it early. 2. Grinding while driving. This one's scary. You're driving, maybe turning a corner or accelerating, and you hear a grinding noise. It sounds like metal, rubbing on metal. That's never good. Grinding can mean a few things. It could be your brake pads again, but if you've already ruled that out, it might be your wheel bearings or CV joints. Wheel bearings help your wheels spin smoothly. When they wear out, they start grinding, and if they fail completely, your wheel could lock up or even come off. That's not just expensive, it's dangerous. CV joints are part of your car's axle system. They let your wheels turn while still getting power from the engine. When they go bad, they make a clicking or grinding noise, especially when turning. If you ignore it, the joint can snap and you'll lose control of the car. Another possibility: transmission trouble. If the grinding happens when shifting gears, your transmission might be low on fluid or have internal damage. Transmission repairs are some of the most expensive fixes out there, easily running into the thousands. Bottom line, grinding noises are serious. Don't guess. Get a mechanic to check it out before it turns into a disaster. 3. Clicking or tapping from the engine. You start your car and instead of a smooth hum, you hear a clicking or tapping sound. It might be soft at first, but it gets louder as the engine runs. That's your engine telling you something's wrong. Most of the time, this noise is related to oil. Either your oil level is low, or the oil isn't doing its job. Oil lubricates the moving parts inside your engine. Without it, metal parts start rubbing together, and that's where the clicking comes from. If the clicking speeds up when you rev the engine, it's probably a valve train issue. That means the parts that open and close your engine's valves aren't getting enough lubrication. If you ignore it, those parts can wear out or even break. And fixing a damaged valve train? That's a multi-$1,000 job. In the worst case, your engine could seize up completely. That means the metal parts inside fuse together from heat and friction. At that point, you're not repairing anything, you're replacing the whole engine. So if you hear clicking or tapping, check your oil. Top it up if it's low and get an oil change if it's dirty. It's a cheap fix that can prevent a massive repair. 4. Hissing under the hood. You're parked, the engine's running, and you hear a hissing sound. It's like steam escaping from somewhere. That's not normal, and it's not something you should ignore. Hissing usually means there's a leak. It could be a cracked radiator hose, a leaking vacuum line, or even a coolant leak. These systems are under pressure, so when something breaks, the air or fluid escapes with a hiss. If it's a coolant leak, your engine could overheat. And overheating is one of the fastest ways to destroy an engine. The metal parts expand, the head gasket can blow, and the engine block can crack. That's game over. Vacuum leaks are less dramatic, but still serious. They mess with your engine's air-fuel mixture, which can cause rough idling, poor fuel economy, and even stalling. The key here is timing. If you catch a hissing noise early, it might just be a $20 hose. Wait too long, and you're looking at a full engine rebuild. So pop the hood. Look for steam, wet spots, or cracked hoses. And if you're not sure, get it checked. Hissing is your car's way of saying, fix me before it's too late. 5. Rattling. While driving. You're driving along and there's a rattling sound. It might come from underneath the car, or maybe from the back. It sounds like something's loose, and it probably is. Rattling can be caused by a lot of things. Sometimes it's just a loose heat shield or exhaust bracket. That's annoying but cheap to fix. But other times it's a sign of something much worse. One possibility is a failing catalytic converter. That's the part of your exhaust system that reduces harmful emissions. When it starts to break apart inside, it rattles. And replacing a catalytic converter, that can cost over $1,000. Another issue could be a loose suspension component. If something's rattling in your suspension, it could affect your steering and handling. That's not just expensive, it's dangerous. Even something as simple as a loose muffler can cause problems. If it falls off while driving, it could damage your car or cause an accident. So, don't ignore rattling. It might be nothing, or it might be the start of a very expensive fix. Either way, it's worth checking out. 6. Whining in neutral or while accelerating. You're sitting at a red light, your car's in neutral, and you hear a whining noise. Or maybe it happens when you accelerate. It's a high-pitched whine, and it doesn't sound good. This noise often points to transmission trouble. If your transmission fluid is low or dirty, the gears don't get enough lubrication. That causes friction, which leads to whining. Over time, the gears can wear out, and replacing a transmission is one of the most expensive repairs you can face. Another possibility is a failing power steering pump. If the whine happens when turning the wheel, that's probably the culprit. Power steering pumps use hydraulic fluid to help you steer. When the fluid gets low or the pump starts to fail, it whines. Both of these issues can get worse fast. A bad transmission can leave you stranded. A failed power steering pump can make your car hard to control. So, if you hear whining, check your fluids. Transmission fluid should be red and clean. Power steering fluid should be full and clear. If either one looks off, get it serviced. It's way cheaper than replacing the whole system. 7. Popping or backfiring. During acceleration. You hit the gas, and instead of smooth acceleration, you hear a pop or even a backfire. It's loud, it's sudden, and it's not normal. Popping during acceleration usually means there's a problem with your engine's air-fuel mixture. It could be a bad spark plug, a clogged fuel injector, or a leak in the exhaust system. When the mixture isn't right, fuel can ignite at the wrong time, or in the wrong place. That's what causes the pop. Backfiring is even worse. It means unburned fuel is igniting in the exhaust system. That can damage your muffler, catalytic converter, and other parts. It's also a sign that your engine isn't running efficiently, which means poor fuel economy and higher emissions. Sometimes, popping can be caused by a dirty air filter or a bad sensor. Those are easy fixes, but if it's a deeper issue, like a failing ignition coil or a cracked manifold, you're looking at a big repair bill. So don't ignore popping or backfiring. It's your car's way of saying, something's wrong with my heart, and the longer you wait, the worse it gets. 8. Roaring or loud. Exhaust noise. You start your car and suddenly it sounds like a race car, or maybe a lawnmower. The exhaust is way louder than usual, and it's not because you installed a performance muffler. That roaring sound usually means there's a leak in your exhaust system. The most common culprit, a hole or crack in the muffler or exhaust pipe. Over time, rust and road debris can eat away at the metal. When that happens, the exhaust gases escape before they're properly muffled, creating that loud roar. But here's the expensive part. If the leak is near the catalytic converter or manifold, it can affect your engine's performance. Your car's sensors rely on accurate readings from the exhaust system to adjust fuel and air mixtures. A leak throws those readings off, which can lead to poor fuel economy, rough idling, and even engine damage. And if the leak is in the catalytic converter itself, that's a 4-figure repair. So if your car suddenly sounds like it's auditioning for Fast and Furious, get it checked. It's not just noise, it's a warning. 9. Knocking from the engine. Rod knock. This one's a heartbreaker. You're driving, and you hear a deep knocking sound coming from the engine. It's rhythmic, it gets worse when you accelerate, and it sounds like someone's tapping a hammer under the hood. That's rod knock, and it's one of the worst noises your engine can make. Rod knock happens when the bearings that connect the pistons to the crankshaft wear out. When they get loose, the metal parts start banging together. That's the knock you hear. It's a sign that your engine's internal components are no longer moving smoothly. This isn't a wait-and-see situation. If you keep driving with rod knock, the engine can fail completely. And rebuilding or replacing an engine, that's easily $3,000 to $7,000 depending on your car. Sometimes, rod knock is caused by low oil pressure or dirty oil. So if you catch it early, a fresh oil change and some additives might help. But once the damage is done, there's no cheap fix. If your engine knocks, don't ignore it. Get a diagnosis immediately. It's one of the most expensive sounds your car can make. So there you have it, 9 car noises that mean expensive trouble. These aren't just sounds, they're signals. Your car is talking to you, and if you listen, you can catch problems early and save a ton of money. If you've heard any of these noises, don't wait. Get your car checked, and if this video helped you out, hit that like button.